This video, I'll guide you through how to remove the Flodesk logo from your emails. If you're sending email campaigns for your business, you may want your emails to focus entirely on your own branding. By removing the Flodesk branding from the bottom of your emails, you can keep the appearance more consistent with your business and avoid displaying the Flodesk referral or promotional link. Before getting started, there's one important thing to know. If you're using the Flodesk free plan, you won't be able to turn off the Flodesk logo. This option is available when you have a paid plan. So if you're using a paid Flodesk plan, you can follow the settings in this tutorial. To get started, open Flodesk and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear with different account options. From this menu, select Branding. This will take you to the branding settings for your Flodesk account. Once the branding section opens, scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the page. Continue scrolling until you find the section related to Flodesk branding. Here, you'll see the Flodesk branding option. By default, this setting is turned on, which means the Flodesk logo and referral link can appear at the bottom of your emails. To remove that branding, click the setting to turn it off. You'll see the appearance of the control change, indicating that the Flodesk branding has been disabled. Once this setting is turned off, the Flodesk logo and referral link will no longer be included at the bottom of your email campaigns. Keep in mind that the exact appearance of Flodesk may vary depending on the version or interface you're using. You may see slightly different menus, labels, or settings. If your screen doesn't look exactly the same, focus on finding your profile menu, the branding section, and the Flodesk branding setting. So, to quickly recap, open Flodesk, click your profile icon, select Branding, and scroll to the bottom of the page. Find the Flodesk branding option and turn it off. Remember that this option requires a paid plan. Once disabled, your emails can appear without the Flodesk logo or referral link at the bottom, allowing your own branding to remain the focus. And that's how you can remove the Flodesk logo from your emails.